This is a 2003 Harley Davidson Road King 1450. It's quite a tiny bike. I expect it'll need a mud guard. The Speedo don't work on it and I can't see the mileage. I've rode it, everything rides nice on it.